Show me how good it can get. Life isn't over quite yet. I wanna see the possibilities. I know I'm gonna love what comes next. There's a new version of me. We don't let patterns repeat. Thank God for all the things I couldn't have. All that's left is everything I need. So I'm calling to something above. I gotta let you know that now I'm open, willing to trust. You gotta let me know. Can I learn from you? Can I see what love can do? From the birds that you show me what love can do. Show me what love can do. Show me what love can do. I wanna be right where I'm standing. Wanna believe there's more to life than landing. Build up my mind bigger than a mountain. I know I'm free, free. I invite all of the good I want. Let it show up on the path I'm on. I don't wanna fight the love no more, no more. Can I learn from you? Can I see what love can do? From the birds that you show me what love can do. Show me what love can do. Show me what love can do.
Whatever your talent is, whatever it is that you do, just keep doing what you're doing, man, and know that you can manifest anything that you want in this life.